Break 4 eggs. Separate each egg white into another small bowl before pouring it into the mixer bowl. Pour egg whites in beating bowl and attach the mixer bowl to a stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment. Add half cup of sugar and beat. Add strawberries in beating jar and beat well. Puree is ready. Keep it aside. Add all-purpose flour, corn flour, baking powder, baking soda, and stir it well and set aside. After you have firm peaks, continue beating for another 5 minutes. You will notice that your egg whites have a foamy texture after beating them for 5 to 7 minutes and have stiff peaks. Add yolk one by one and beat egg white mixture on high speed for 5 to 7 minutes or until it becomes thick, fluffy and triple in volume. Stop the mixer and lift the whisk attachment. Add flour mixture in beaten eggs. Start with 1/3 flour mixture and mix. Then half remainder of flour and mix until combined. Fold all the mixture softly. At the end, add strawberry puree and mix it softly. Grease and line to pan with parchment paper. Pour the mixture into pan and bake in preheated oven at 180 degree for 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check the cake with knife or until the center of the cake spring back lightly when pressed. Cool the cake. Cake is ready.